Welcome back, you guys, again for the second part of the session. After a little break, due to the limitation of the Zoom software, guys, today now we shall have to talk about the interactive design. What is the interactive design? We have the design principles, design appropriation, and processes. Now we talk about the interactive design, these basics. So we have to go to the basic. Welcome you all people again. Interactive design. In the interactive design basics, we have a simple design, at least what it is, interventions, goals, and constraints. Another aspect of the design process, what happens when means when we complete the design process, what happens, what results should come out from the completion process, users, who they are, what they are like. So we must know the users, what they are, their class, their behavior, and their psychology. Scenarios, rich stories of design, some previously stories shall be focused. Navigation, finding your way around a system, iteration and prototypes. So these are the interactive design basics which shall be focused out during the interactive design. Interactive design cannot be complete without the feedback. So that's why we say the interactive design. What is design? We have already discussed achieving goals within constraints. Within constraints, parameters, we can achieve the goals. Uh, Goals are purpose. Who is it for? Why do they want to? Constraints, materials are platforms used to accomplish the materials, platforms, functionalities used to complete the design. Trade-offs, the rules and regulations are trade-offs. Golden rule of design. When we talked about the golden rule of design, understand your materials. It's very important to make the design. Before going to the design, we have to analyze the system, the material, the environment of the organization or system. So it is very important to first, before going to design, we have to study or research and analyze the system to understand the materials, the users, the environments of the design. Understand your materials, how we understand your computers, limitations, capacities, tools and platforms. Understand people means psychology of the users, social aspects, environmental effects, and limitations, laws, rules, regulations, and cultural, religious limitations, human errors, and their interactions. For of human accident reports, uh, air crash, industrial accident, hospital mistake, inquiry, blames, human errors shall be also studies. But concern concrete lintel breaks because too much weight, blame, intel error, lintel error, no design error. We know how concrete behaves under stress. So human error is a normal, and we know that what are the types of the human errors. Sometimes it's said to be a mistake, and sometimes it's said to be a slip. So slip is digestible, but mistake cannot be acceptable in the design phase. Treat the user at least as well as physical materials. So we have to go central message, the process of design, what is wanted, analysis, design, and the prototype. After designing, we compare with the prototype to analyze the reports. And this process repeated again and again in this interactive design. This prototype analysis is the process of interaction, and implement and deploy is the last phase. Uh, what is wanted? Interviews, ethnography. We have to study the background, the environment, what shall be the needs of the society, or what will be the requirements of the society or organization, what is the need of the time. So scenario task analysis, and guideline principles guideline principles for the design. uh, every design have the some rules principles to be uh, complete the design, and it will be learned from the previous experiences, studies, and exposures. So these are the very important. Dialogue notations in the prototype evolution heuristic. We uh, we have to evaluate uh, the design by interaction of the users. So when user give their feedbacks, this is a beta testing. We say the beta testing. We analyze when we complete design, we compare with the prototype, previous experiences, and dialogue with the users, the testing users, to analyze the system is workable or not, how much it give the results. After the analysis report, it at least 80% to 90%. 90% is a very good report respond and analysis. But if we have the acceptable in the academic session, in the academic design session, we have at least 80% results from the users to give feedback good about the design. So it is acceptable. In the factory design or in the industrial design, we have at least about 95 or 98% results should be the positive about the design. So after that, it will be implemented in the uh, market or in this organization. Okay. What steps are required? Requirements analysis, design, iteration, prototyping, implementation, and deployment. So these steps are very important. Requirements: what is required? Analysis, design, iteration, iterative process, and prototyping. We are repeatedly interact with the users to correct the design process. But how can I do it all? Limited time. When we have the limited time, design trade-offs, usability, finding problems and fixing them, deciding what to fix. A perfect system is badly designed, too good, too much effort in design. A perfect system is badly designed. First, we have some problems in the design. After that, we have to go for the good design process. Repeatedly, we iteratively made it to improve the process again and again. We see in the different kind of social networks and other browsing applications where we have to fill the feedback by the user, beta testing about the applications improvements plans. So when we give the feedback, the browsers or software companies improve their software capabilities and functionalities about the response. So that's why this interactive design shall not be end. When I told you in the previous lecture that errors are the very vital role to improve the design. When we have the errors means we can improve the design. When we have finished or stopped errors, we cannot improve the design. So this is very important in that. Okay. User focus, no user, personing, cultural probes. So know the user, who are they, probably not like you, talk to them, watch them, and use your imagination. Imagination, you can imagine or assume or understand by your own experience. How much you are experienced about the domain, about the any surrounding areas, you can imagine well. If you have less experience, your imagination, your understanding will be less and not complete. So that's why you have to focus. And when we talk about the user, we have to understand the user, and designer are not assuming. Designer shall not be assume the everything. He has to go to the users, talk to user about the design, their needs, their requirements, their surroundings, their. So this is a very hard process to understand the design, very time consuming. Persona, description of an example, user not necessarily a real person. Persona, by the name, and the user shall not be the real person when we testing. For example, where we complete the design and we are talking, getting the experience of that design from a user that is not a actual user. For example, an application designed for the teacher, but it has been tested or viewed or experienced by the other users, such like doctor or other staff. So this is not the real person, means not a real person to be used for the testing. So use as a surrogate user. What would Betty think? So details matter, makes her real. So this is the persona factor in the user. We are testing or observing or getting result from that person. That's not a real person or not a real user. So this will not help to improve the design. We must uh, understand that the real user, although it is a very difficult task to get the feedback from the real user during the design phase or interactive design phase. However, but it is very important. Without that feedback, we cannot improve the. Okay, let's see. Just we have to pause a few minutes. Okay, guys. Uh, but is it's a persona as an example 37. You can read and understand the example. whatever I talked about that persona user, not a real, it's not a real user. It's an example of such kind of persona user. About the experience some examples. Cultural probes, direct observation, sometimes hard in the home, psychiatric patients, and the probes packs attempts to prompt responses used to inform interviews, prompt ideas, culture designer. Culture means environment. Here we think about the culture, the environment where design have to be has to be employed and tested. Scenarios, stories for design, use and reuse. Stories for design communicate with others about the design to improve, validate other models, and understand dynamics. So in the design stories, we can use the we can talk with the other users of the design, the expert users, the normal users. Learnability, linearity. It is a time is a linear. Our lives are linear, but don't show alternatives. We have sequence of the things to improve the uh, design. We cannot jump over in the time sense or in the our life sense. So this is the linearity factor. What will users want to do? We have a focused area of the design interactive design is about the user's intentions and targets. So what users want, it is very important. We cannot change over the design about our own perception, our own guide thoughts. We have to limit our design according to the uh, users intentions and targets. Step by step walkthrough, every aspect shall be go through before going to the completion. What can they see, what do they do, and what do they think. These are the factors about the users we have to go through. Use and use it throughout the design. Again and again, we repeatedly uh, this design reused and tested for completion. Movie player and also an example of that scenario. Also plagued with the usability of this knife and this type of the knife. You see in the figure, here we have, okay, explore the depth, explore the depth of this design, explore the interaction, explore the cognition, explore the architecture. When we explore interaction, what happens when, how much depth it has. Explore cognition, what are the users thinking, how much deeply users have intentions or targets to be explored, and how much what is happening inside the architecture at the depth level, at the uh, very extensive level, how much the architecture can be used. For example, we have we have some applications of meeting applications, such like online meeting applications such like Zoom. It can be utilized for the depth level, but some features may be hidden or by the architecture, by the manufacturer, from the simple users or expert users or users. They do not explain everything about the application. So that's why we we know the depth of the architecture. Companies are must have their depth level of the application and limitations. That's why. Okay. So communicate with others, designers. communicate with others, designers, clients, users, validate other models, play it against other models, express dynamics. These are the use scenarios to about the user. Validate other models, play it against other models to understand the modeling process, express dynamics, appearances, behavior, and scenario one linear path through system pros and cons. Okay, guys. Uh, these are the hello. Please mute your mic. One linear path through system pros. Life and time are linear and easy to understand. Stories and narrative are natural. Concrete errors less likely. And cons, no choice, no branches, no special conditions, miss the unintended. So use several scenarios, use several methods to complete the system. Navigations of the system, local structure and global structure. We can
Hi,
navigate. Hello, please mute your mic. Who have this? Navigate design, local structure design, single screen, global structure design, whole site. This is the navigation. We can move everywhere and everything can be uh, navigatable, and mapping shall be organized to manage the whole thing. We have this the hierarchical structure. Here we have the serial structure, so it can be navigatable. Manage screen, remove user, confirm, add. This is the design. This is a navigatable. This is very important in the navigation. Levels, widget choice, menus, buttons, screen design, application navigation design, environment. These are the functionalities of the elements and tags, page design, site structure. These are the functionalities in the navigation. So control, physical layout, model of the devices, real world, physical in the physical devices. Think about the structure within a screen, lateral, local, looking from this screen out and in, global screen structure outside, movements between the screens, wider still relationship. Stop this annotation. Who's doing that? This is not fair, guys. Okay. So this is think about a structure within a screen lateral. We have local looking from this screen out, global structure of the site, movement in between screens, wider still. So let's see another aspect of this screen. Okay, guys, local. Some from one screen looking out, Goal seeking, start and get the goal. We have started progress. This is the mapping of that. Try to avoid these bits. We have no any noise or delay in the getting started. We just be started. Four golden rules about the design interaction: knowing where you are, knowing what you can do, knowing where you are going or what will happen, knowing where you have been or what you have done. Okay, guys, where you are, breadcrumbs shows path through website hierarchy. Seven common errors. So here we have to talk about that. Website, top level category, subcategory, this page, live links to hire. These are the show path through website hierarchy. We have experiencing in the all browsing and searching engines in the internet. Beware the big button trap. Things, other things, more things, the thing from them. Where do they go? Lots of room for extra text. All have the things, but we have the multiple choices, things, other things, more things, the thing from the other. So these buttons are very confusing in the design. Modes: lock to prevent accident use, remove lock, yes to confirm. These locks, yes, no, we have the design here, yes, no. So lock to prevent accidental use. When we lock the any keypad, it will accidentally limit user any loss on any other unwanted action. If lock forgotten in pocket, yes gets pressed, goes to the phone book and phone book. This is the another mapping design about that. Okay, guys, Adnan coming into the waiting room. Global, between screens within the applications and global scenario in the website sense hierarchy. The system, the we have info and help, management, messages, add user, remove user. This is on the top level hierarchical organization of any sites. Parts of application, screens are groups. This is the another global view. Navigation hierarchies, about dialogue. Think about the dialogue. What does it mean in user interface design? Uh, other different type of services. Shazad. Okay. Computer dialogue. Okay, Hamzan Shazad coming into the online. Network diagram shows the flow of the control and different paths through different networks. So this is the global and local structure. And these are the ask, think, and design basic principles. What is the user doing? Think. What information compression order and design form follows functions. We have available some tools: grouping of items, order of items, decoration, font, boxes, alignment of items, white space between items. These are the tools can be gradually added in the design. So guys, we have less time, less than 10 minutes to complete the session. Till then, we have to go through this and decoration and alignment text alignment. These are the some functionalities provided by the application to the user on the depth level. So to satisfy the user at the maximum, spotlights, physical controls over the system, alignment, white space, user action and control, entering information from dialog boxes, logical layouts. I'm also coming in the waiting room on the last moment. Okay, no. These are the basic affordances affordable to get control of the things, appropriate appearances, aesthetic and utility, color and 3D, better use of colors across countries and cultures, limitations. Okay, there is something. These topics already we have discussed in the before design phase process, prototyping. So prototyping will be discussed later. This session now coming to the end of near to end. So please, you guys, today we have learned about the design, the process of the design, and all the related topics of the design. And guys, today we also talked about the uh, basic information about the design. I have to tell you that we have to plan the mid exam online through the Google Forms. It's very easy to fill. The link will be shared with you people within the duration of due time. Yes, if you have any information you have to share with me about the mid exam and assignment. So in the later session, yes, please. Who's talking? Hello. Anybody have any query about that? Have to share with me. मुझसे
Sir,
शेयर
I have to ask something.
हाँ बताएं क्या कहना चाहते हैं कौन
सर
बात
आप
कर
मिड एग्जाम
हाँ
मोहम्मद फहीम
हाँ फ़हीम पूछें
सर वो आप मिड के हवाले से बात करनी थी। आप गूगल फॉर्म के हवाले से बात कर रहे हैं कि आप गूगल फॉर्म के थ्रू एग्जाम लेंगे।
हाँ
तो सर ये ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि फॉर एग्जांपल कोई फेक तरीके से किसी के भी आईडी से फॉर एग्जांपल किसी के भी रोल नंबर से वो फॉर्म फिल कर सकता है। तो इसके अंदर तो क्या कहते हैं प्राइवेसी नहीं रहेगी किसी की भी।
देखें जो हमारे गूगल क्लास में ऐड हैं गूगल क्लास में जितने भी ऐड हैं ना सिर्फ उनको अलाउ किया जाएगा गूगल क्लास के थ्रू या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप के थ्रू शेयर सिर्फ उनके साथ होगा तो दूसरा कैसे हो सकता है कोई उसमें दूसरा पर्सन है ही नहीं अननोन पर्सन और
सर
वो
अननोन पर्सन की बात नहीं है। फॉर एग्जांपल मैं मोहम्मद फहीम उसको लॉग इन
हाँ
करके जाहिद के नाम से आपको पेपर सबमिट करवा दूं
अच्छा
तो ऐसा
ये
इसमें हो सकता है।
हाँ ऐसा पॉसिबल है मगर दिस इज ये तो आपकी उसकी क्रेडिबिलिटी पे के ऊपर है कि अगर आप सिंसियर हैं तो वैसे भी कोई इतना डिफिकल्ट तो नहीं है मगर अगर आप ऐसे ऑनेस्टली उसको करें तो ये चीज़ मुश्किल नहीं है और ये आपके लिए है कि हमें सेशनल जो है उसका भी थोड़ा वो देखना पड़ेगा कि सेशनल जो उसका भी रहता है कि मैंने आपको कुछ दिया था असाइनमेंट वो अगर आप सबमिट करा दें वो भी अभी तक नहीं की जो मैंने कुछ स्टूडेंट्स के साथ शेयर किया था कि मैं इसको करूँगा तो असाइनमेंट भी रहती है आपकी अभी इस पे डिस्कस करेंगे कि भाई किस तरह करें इसको तो गूगल क्लास फॉर्म ये होगा कि पैटर्न वही है वो शार्ट आंसर्स होंगे और अगर वो कोई शार्ट आंसर दूसरे बंदे की हेल्प से करता है तो मेरा क्योंकि ये ओपन बुक होगा तो कोई इश्यू नहीं है कि वो दूसरे बंदे को बिठा के करे और क्या करे, क्योंकि ये ओपन बुक होगा। तो ओपन बुक में हमेशा जो है आपके बुक्स की हेल्प होती है और इंटरनेट की हेल्प होती है। क्वेश्चन इस तरह के होते हैं कि आप उसको जो है वो अपने फ्री माइंड के साथ कर सकते हैं। सो जो रियल पर्सन है हम उसको काउंट करेंगे, ज़ाहिर है जो रेस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है। प्लीज स्टॉप
ठीक
दिस।
है सर, हम
हाँ, क्योंकि इसको हम
ठीक है
कहते हैं
सर, हम
ओपन बुक एग्जाम। तो आपको फ्री हैंड दिया जाता है कि आप बुक्स या जो मटेरियल आपको दिया गया है या जो आपकी जो भी हेल्प कर सकता है, तो आप समझते हैं कि आपको हेल्प हेल्प करेगा कोई स्टूडेंट ही होगा या कोई टीचर होगा। तो ये ओपन बुक कहलाता है, तो इजी होगा, उससे हम कर सकते हैं। आई थिंक ये हमारे
ठीक
लिए
है सर,
बेहतर होगा। हाँ, फिर भी हम इस पे बात
ठीक है
कर
सर, हम
सकते हैं।
इसको
हाँ
देख लेते हैं।
हाँ, आप
बट ये कि ऐसा ना हो, मतलब मेरे जस्ट कहने का मतलब ये था कि ऐसा ना हो कि कोई किसी के साथ भी कोई ज्यादती हो जाए, मतलब
ज्यादती
फॉर
नहीं,
एग्जांपल कोई।
ज्यादती नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि जब ओपन बुक है तो आप उसको कैसे ज्यादती कह सकते हैं। जैसे
नहीं नहीं
ओपन बुक
सर,
है।
मेरे
हाँ
कहने का
हाँ।
सर
अगर वो
मेरे
उसके
कहने का मतलब
बावजूद
ये
भी,
है।
अगर वो उसके बावजूद भी वो कोई बंदा ओपन बुक है और उसमें सारी चीजें, उसको नेट भी इंटरनेट यूज करे, बुक यूज करे, ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
हाँ मेरे
ठीक है
ख्याल
सर,
में,
हम
हाँ आप डिसाइड कर लें, शेयर
कोई
कर लें
इशू नहीं
दोस्तों
है।
के साथ। मेरे ख्याल में ओपन बुक सही रहेगा हमारे लिए, और हमारा अटेम्प्ट हो जाएगा
हाँ
सभी
सर,
उसमें।
ओपन बुक सही रहेगा, बुक
हाँ
देख के कर पाएंगे।
आप देखें, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन
सर
इस
वो
तरह
तो
हम
ठीक है,
डिजाइन
वो तो
करेंगे कि आपको डिफिकल्टी तो नहीं होनी चाहिए, कि आप चीजें समझते हैं तो कर लेना चाहिए, ठीक
नहीं
है।
नहीं सर, डिफिकल्टी तो नहीं होगी, डिफिकल्टी तो नहीं होगी, बस ये कुछ था कि
देखें ओपन
ये
बुक में
हमने
हमने भी दिए हैं, हमारी
क्या था।
पीएचडी में ओपन बुक हमें दिया गया था, तो जो मटेरियल हम आपको देते हैं उन्हीं में से वो फोकस्ड होता है। मगर क्योंकि उस डिफिकल्ट तो क्वेश्चन होते हैं, मगर ओपन बुक में आपने फाइंड करना होता है, अंडरस्टैंड करना होता है प्रॉब्लम्स को, फिर आपने अपना
और
अपने
सर
तौर
टाइम
पे।
कितना होगा इसका?
टाइम जो
टाइम।
ड्यूटी है, मिड टर्म का 1 आवर है। मिड टर्म का तो 1 आवर में आपने कंप्लीट करना है, तो इसमें 10 क्वेश्चन मेरे ख्याल में एमसीक्यूज के हम इंक्लूड करेंगे, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन होंगे उसमें। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन जो होंगे, अब्दुल रहमान क्या
तो
कह रहा है,
सर,
चाह रहे हैं।
सर वो सर वो 1 घंटे का टाइम ऐसा दिया जाएगा ना कि जिस मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसा तो नहीं है कि 10 बजे शुरू होगा और 11 बजे खत्म हो जाएगा,
हाँ,
क्योंकि लाइट
क्योंकि
का बहुत इशू है
देखें
कॉलेज में।
वो टाइम आप सब डिसाइड करके मुझे बताएं, तो मैं उसमें टाइम में फिक्स कर दूं वो
लंबी
टाइम।
टाइमिंग है।
मिसाल देखें ये जो टाइम है, आप सबकी म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ, जहाँ पे लोड शेडिंग ना हो, तो बेहतर होगा कि नाइट में कौन सा टाइम है या दिन में कौन सा टाइम है। तो लाजमी नहीं है कि हम इसमें सेशन के दौरान करें। अब सेशन के दौरान सभी ऑनलाइन है, सब जो ऑनलाइन है तो सभी का यहाँ लाइट है, तो इसमें हम कर सकते हैं 1 आवर का। तो सेशन
सर
टाइम में सब
अभी
फिजिबल हो जो।
सर अभी भी तकरीबन ये 38 स्टूडेंट दोनों क्लास के मिला के हैं, और स्टूडेंट
हाँ
हमारी सिर्फ क्लास में 60 है, तो आप
हाँ,
अंदाजा
60,
लगा
हाँ
सकते
हाँ,
हैं
नहीं आ
स्टूडेंट
रहे
जो है
हैं,
वो।
कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं स्टूडेंट के साथ। मगर उस दिन वो या तो दिन फिक्स कर लें आप, टाइम और दिन फिक्स कर लें, तो इस सेशन के दौरान या इस वीक में जहाँ भी, उस तरह हम 1 आवर का सेशन रखेंगे इस एग्जाम के लिए, तो वो फिक्स कर दूंगा। सो जो
सर
फिजिबल हो
क्या
सके।
सर क्या इसमें थोड़ी सी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं हो सकती कि आप कुछ टाइम हमें वो दे दें, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हमने एचओडी से बात की थी, उन्होंने कहा था कि ठीक है सुबह 8 से लेके हम 12 या 1 बजे का टाइम रखेंगे, उसमें ही आप सबने पेपर सबमिट करना
हाँ,
है।
ऐसा भी हो
तो
सकता है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि अगर आपके पास 1-2 घंटे की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिल सकती है, पॉसिबल है, कोई इशू नहीं है।
क्योंकि सर इसमें ये हो जाएगा ना कि सबके पेपर सबमिट हो जाएंगे, किसी को इशू नहीं होगा।
बहरहाल जिसको इशू है ना, तो वो तो अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करे व्हाट्सएप पे कि सर हमें इस
ठीक है
टाइम पे
सर।
इशू है, तो फिर मैं उसके फिर हम बात कर सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट सेशन से पहले हम टॉक कर सकते हैं, इसके थ्रू उसका सोल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं कि भाई सर मेरी इस डेली यहाँ पे ये प्रॉब्लम है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल टाइमिंग जो है वो दिन में इतनी है,